Took my Rebel 2 scoops of it today.
Nothing's ever what we expect, but they keep asking where we go next. All we're chasing is the sunset. Got my mind on you. Doesn't matter where we are. Doesn't matter where we are. Doesn't matter, no. If there's a moment when it's perfect, we'll carve our names as the sun goes down.
Hey, you know what? I've always said I'm not gonna do a YouTube video until I gain a bit of a fan base or like a following. Because who's really gonna watch all that hard work I put into a video if I don't really have a fan base to watch it, right? I just finished popping my pre. Just took my Rebel 2 scoops of it. Today's legs and shoulders, so I just finished conducting that. Got my pre right here. I'm about to go smash some legs and shoulders, so I'll see you guys in there. Just recently reclined my chair like a lot. Like I used to sit really straight up. Now I recline it, and like I didn't know my wheel could do this, but look what I can do. It goes up like that, or I can ride. I swear it moves more than just that. Well, whatever, I can pull it lower, you know, it does make a difference when you're driving. And yeah, now I feel like a fucking sports car driver because this Tacoma's fast as fuck. I just got my headphones charging right now on the way to the gym, and I live like 10-15 minutes from the gym, so we're about to go crush some legs and shoulders. I don't think I've got anybody to film for me today, so I doubt I'd actually get some clips, but you never know.
This one's for all my mean girls. This one's for all my bad girls. This one's for all my break your boyfriend's heart girls. For all my tearing shit apart. When I met you in the summer, to my heartbeat sound, we fell in love as the leaves turn brown. And we could be together, baby, as long as skies are blue. You act so innocent now, but you lied so soon. When I met you in the summer.
What's good, everybody? It's been like a day since I recorded that lift, and I unfortunately didn't get a clip of me saying what I'm about to do next, so this is basically it. I just spent the day out on the water and got a lot of sun, so hopefully clips to come in the future will be nasty with a tan. Like, I'm not sure, but hopefully, fingers crossed. I can't even tell you guys how happy I am with how the videos turned out. Like, my mind is blown with how aesthetic this video has turned out to be.
My mind's absolutely blown. Like,
If you would have asked me if I thought I was making another YouTube video like 3 months ago, I would have been like, no way. But me and my girls just decided to go to the beach this day, and then, you know what? It ended up being incredible. But yeah, I've been living a crazy life the past few days. I was just on the water all day today, on the boat with my girl, and she's the best, man. She sits in the car while I work out, like the most supportive and best girlfriend I could ever ask for. And anytime I need clips, she's got me. She's the best fucking camera girl I could ask for. Anyways, let's peep the tan. I feel like I got like a shit ton of sun today, but it might just not be showing today.
yeah, but yeah,
I've been really trying to work on my lats, but the tan really helps with it. And you know what? I'm really excited for you guys to see what we got at the beach that day. About to pick Emily up, and we're about to go to the beach for the rest of the night. Hopefully we get there before the sun sets, so we can get some clips and show you guys the beautiful sunset. But yeah, we're going to this smaller beach that I don't know, I've never heard of it before. She just told me it's pretty close by to our house, so we're just gonna check out this small beach and see what's popping. think it's time to set the phone down and drive responsibly.
Give you what you need. Now everything I do is all for loving you. It's not something that we're used to. No other way to say.
Man, the drive to Emily's house is so beautiful. Like, you guys have no idea.
I wanna lose. I'll do anything you want me to. Like.
Yeah, the ride to Emily's house is the most scenic thing ever, man. My voice is kind of gone. I've just been like screaming with these songs, holy. But yeah, the most beautiful ride ever going to my girl's house. Just look at this path. It's really, really, really nice in the winter. Like, just imagine this. You're going down deeper in, you'll see when there's trees on both sides, just snow falling, snow on all the trees. It's beautiful, man. Look at all that.
I'll be thinking about you. I'll be thinking about you. I'll be thinking about you. I'll be thinking about you.
Just pulling up to my girls right now. This is their place. So let's here. I'm gonna pick Emily up.
I got a hangover. Whoa, I've been drinking too much for sure. I got a.
Look who we found. Take the towels.
Wow. Look what her nails just did to me. Show them. No, show them what your lips did to me. You red lips.
Alright, we're on the road.
You took my heart and you held it in your mouth. With a word, all my love came rushing up. Every whisper, it's the worst. Emptied out by a single word.
Okay, we're finally pulling up to the water just now.
Nothing's ever what we expect, but they keep asking where we're going next. All we're chasing is the sunset. Got my mind on you. Doesn't matter where we are. Doesn't matter where we are. Doesn't matter, no. If there's a moment when it's perfect, we'll carve our names as the sun goes down. Hey, as the sun goes down. Hey, as the sun goes down. As the sun goes down. Doesn't matter where we are. Doesn't matter where we are. Doesn't matter, no. Nothing's ever what we expect, but they keep asking where we go.
So Emily and I are just gonna leave the beach now. It was pretty fun. I mean, we were scared to go in the water, but we still went in. We had a good time going in the water.
My hand came back up.
That's okay. Yeah, just keep going. So, yeah, we're just leaving the marina now. The beach was pretty nice. We got some really nice flicks and videos. And I think Emily said she wanted to go get a pump and get some flips in the gym too, right?
Hell no.
Yeah, we're out of here.